Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver with an update for you on the BOI report. For those of you that have LLCs, this is an important update from Fincen. Fincen has stated that they have removed the beneficial ownership reporting requirements for United States companies and U.S. persons, and they've set a new deadline for foreign companies. The press release, which was issued on March 21st, 2025, states that Fincen is issuing an interim final rule that removes the requirement for U.S. companies and U.S. persons to report beneficial ownership information to Fincen under the Corporate Transparency Act. Therefore, if you are someone in the U.S. that owns an LLC, you no longer are required to file the BOI. Now, it is important to note that if you choose not to file your BOI because it is stated here that it is no longer required, that you still should continue following for updates just in case there are any changes. Because the Corporate Transparency Act was created through an act of Congress, we also need to follow for further updates in case there are additional changes